Welcome back. Let me do the problem. Integration x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 dx. So here if we take x square equals to u, then our fraction becomes u plus 1 into u plus 2 by u plus 3 into u plus 4. Now note the fact that both the numerator and denominator are polynomials of equal degree. So it can be decomposed as 1 plus a by u plus 3 plus b by u plus 4. Say, so multiplying both sides by the denominator, you get u plus 1 into u plus 2 identical equal to u plus 3 into u plus 4 plus a into u plus 4 plus b into u plus 3. Now for to get a, you have to manage this. So I am taking u equals to minus 3. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 is equal to this vanishes. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1, that is a. So you get a equals to 2. Next for u equals to, you have to vanish this. So take u equals to minus 4. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 is equals to this vanishes. This is 0, this is b into minus 1. So your b becomes minus 6. A is 2 and b is minus 6. So if we consider the given integral as I, then I will become integration third bracket 1 plus 2 by u is x square, so x square plus 3 minus 6 by x square plus 4 dx. Look, this 3 can be thought of as root 3 square and this 4 can be thought of as 2 square. So they are readily integrable. This is x, 2 by root 3 tan inverse of x by root 3, 6 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. This is our answer. Minus 3 tan inverse x by 2. Okay. Just simplify these 3. Next question. Integration 4x to the power 4 plus 3 by x square plus 2 x square plus 3 x square plus 4 dx. If we take x square as u, then the fraction becomes 4u square plus 3 by u plus 2 u plus 3 u plus 4. This can be decomposed as a by u plus 2 b by u plus 3 c by u plus 4. Say, now multiplying both sides by the denominator, you get 4u square plus 3 identically equal to a into u plus 3 into u plus 4, b into u plus 2 into u plus 4, c into u plus 2 into u plus 3. Now for u equals to, common factor is u plus 2, so we have to take u equals to minus 2. Minus 2 square 4 4 16 plus 3 19 equal to this is 1, this is 2, 2a. So you get a equals to 19 by 2. Next, for u equals to get b, common factor is u plus 3, so we have to take minus 3. Minus 3 square 9 to 36, 39 is equals to minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1, so minus b. So b is minus 39. Next, for u equals to get c, u plus 4 is common factor, so you have to take minus 4. 16 4s are 64, 67 is equals to minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 2c. So c is 67 by 2. So let us substitute the values here. A is 19 by 2, b is minus 39 and c is 67 by 2. So now our I becomes I becomes 19 by 2 integration dx by x square plus root 2 square, then minus 39 integration dx by x square plus root 3 square plus 67 by 2 integration dx by x square plus 2 square. Now 19 by 2 to tan inverse of x by root 2 minus 13 by root 3, that is 13 root 3 tan inverse of x by root 3, 67 by 4 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. This is our answer. 19 by 2 root 2 tan inverse of this minus 13 root 2 tan inverse of x by root 3, 67 by 4. Okay. Next question. Integration x to the power 4 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. Look, here degree of numerator is higher than the degree of denominator, so we have to just divide. Multiplying these two, we get x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. By this we have to divide x to the power 4 x times. So x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x. Minus plus minus plus. This is x cube minus x square plus x. Plus 1 times x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 minus plus minus plus. Cancel, 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 1 remainder. So integral becomes x plus 1 is quotient plus remainder is 1 by the divisor is this. X minus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. Now we have to decompose this part. Now 1 by x minus 1 x square plus 1 identically equal to a by x minus 1, this is bx plus c by x square plus 1, because this is irreducible. It cannot be factorized into real linear factors. Now multiplying both sides by the denominator, we get 1 identically equal to a into x square plus 1 into bx plus c into x minus 1. For x equals to 1, we get 1 equal to 2a. That implies a is half. Next, for x equals to 0, 1 is equal to, this is a, this is minus c. So your c becomes a minus 1, half minus 1, that is minus half. Next, we have to get the value of b. For x equals to, let us take minus 1. Minus 1. Then 1 is equals to 2a. This is c minus b, this is minus 2. So plus 2 into b minus c. Okay. Then half is equals to a plus b minus c. I have to find the value of b. So b will be half minus a, that is minus half, then plus c. C is minus half. So minus half. So we get the values of all the three constants. Now I am substituting here. A is half, B is minus half, and C is also minus half. Okay. So now our integral I becomes integration x plus 1, then this can be written as half plus half by x minus 1, and then minus half into x plus 1 by x square plus 1, third bracket close, dx. Then integration x plus 1 dx plus half integration d of x minus 1 by x minus 1, then minus 1 by 4 2x dx by x square plus 1 minus half integration dx by x square plus 1. Integration x plus 1 dx plus half integration d of x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 integration d of x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus half integration dx by x square plus 1. Now this is half x square plus x plus half ln of mod of x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 ln of mod of x square plus 1 minus half tan inverse x plus c. This is our final answer. Okay. Next, integration x square dx by x to the power 4 minus x square minus 12. You know this can be factorized. So x square dx by x square minus 4 x square plus 3. Just take it. Okay. Now if we consider x square as u, then your fraction becomes u by u minus 4 into u plus 3. Identically equal to a by u minus 4, b by u plus 3 say. Now multiplying both sides by the denominator, you get u identically equal to a into u plus 3, b into u minus 4. For u equals to 4, 4 equals to, this is 7a. 4 by 7. For u equals to minus 3, minus 3 is equals to minus 7b. So b is 3 by 7. A is 4 by 7 and b is 3 by 7. So our I becomes, the given integral, I becomes 4 by 7 integration dx by u was x square. So x square minus 2 square, 3 by 7 integration dx by x square plus root 3 square. Okay. Now this will be 4 by 7 into 1 by 2a mean of mod of x minus 2 by x plus 2, 3 by 7, 1 by 8 and inverse of x by root 3 plus c. So final answer is 1 by 7 mean of mod of x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus root 3 by 7 and inverse of x by root 3 plus c. This is our final answer. Okay. Now let me give you some homework, similar problems. X square dx by x to the power 4 plus x square minus 2. So answer is root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by root 2 plus 1 by 6 ln of mod of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Next homework, integration x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 3 x square minus 5 dx. Answer is x plus 1 by 4 root 3 tan inverse of x by root 3 plus 27 by 8 root 5 ln of mod of x minus root 5 by x plus root 5 plus c. over integration sin 2x dx by 1 plus sin x, 2 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x, 2 plus sin x. Its answer is ln mod 2 plus sin x all to the power 4 by 1 plus sin x whole square. Not close plus c. Okay, let us have a short break. After the break, I am coming with more problems. Till then, be there.